guys.
Yeah.
So we just thought we'd do our last little allotment update, didn't we? Because I don't think we're going to really get much more from it.
No.
Kind of winding down now on the allotment. So yeah, we just thought we would show you what we've got to pick today.
So this is episode 3 and it'll be the last one this year, and we'll
for the year, yeah.
do a proper build-up one next year.
Yeah, definitely. It's not really been the best year.
No, not had a good summer, have we?
No. So last year we did get loads, but we've still got some. So we just thought we'd show you what we're gonna get today.
Yeah. So we'll show you what we get.
Yeah. See you soon.
So I think on the last video we were saying about when I took the stems off the strawberries, so I've redone them all, and these are the ones that are growing that I've cut off. So they'll just obviously nothing will come this year now, so they're just ready for next year. So I've replanted these, but also these are from all the cuttings off of all the strawberry plants that I had that I mentioned in the previous video. So you've got full tray there, full tray there, full tray there, and then another one there. So yeah, plenty of strawberries next year ready
Yummy. We like
to
our
go.
Strawberries, don't we?
But these have come on quite well to say the cuttings. So like I say, basically this is how garden centres do it. They just take your cuttings, plant it with your roots, and roots will grow, and obviously this will be going into next year's harvest, as they call it. Well, yeah, that's strawberries ready to go for next year. So me and my pal checking out the spuds. Now these
They've
are
had an argument. Look.
Yeah, she's not happy with him. So yeah, these are potatoes. So previously I had them in the pots, and because we got a lot of rain,
we just
literally drowned them and just ruined them. So I bought some more. This was previous a strawberry patch that I had, but so I've digged that out and took it all out, re-soiled it, and put my spuds in, and they're absolutely coming amazing, to be fair.
I can't believe it. I didn't even know that these were potatoes. I can't believe how much they've grown.
I've got another one over there. My pal's looking
after it.
But yeah, they'll come nicely, and obviously weather, it's absolutely thriving. It's getting rain and it's getting.
Hopefully for Christmas we might get.
I think they'll be before, if I'm honest. But yeah, loved the spuds last year. They were so tasty. Just because we had that bad rain in July, it absolutely soaked them, and they just couldn't get the moisture out. Obviously these are sort of in the ground, and they're flourishing. So yeah, well happy with these. Pumpkin patch. So these have they've all died off. We've got 4 this year. Not as quite as much as last year.
We had loads last year, didn't we?
12 last year, but nice colours. They're ready to go for Halloween. Fairly decent size. I just don't think weather's helped them this year.
But we just kind of make a little decoration out the front, don't we? So we'll just use them for that. We don't really do any pumpkins doing for anything.
No, because last year we were just giving them to everyone.
All the neighbours had pumpkins from us.
But yeah, nice colours. I think probably that one's the biggest, maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Well, it's just nice to decorate out.
Yeah, nice to know that we've grown them ourselves as well.
Yeah. Well, I just love growing pumpkins, don't we?
Yeah.
So here's the tomatoes. A few dodgy ones, but majority we've already picked as well.
Yeah, we've already got some, haven't we?
But they've done all right. Obviously, a couple of rotten ones.
These look good
just,
though.
yeah,
Good
so
colour to
we'll
them.
pick a few.
Pick a few, take them home.
Yeah, tomatoes.
Yeah, that look good. There's
Decent
still quite a few
ones.
growing as well, isn't
Yeah,
there?
yeah. They're decent.
Nice.
They're nice to cut up and we just have them with a bit of salt on.
Yeah,
don't
we love it.
love a bit of salt.
A little
on.
bit of salt and tomatoes. Might have some of them actually.
Tomatoes were my granddad's forte. He absolutely loved growing his tomatoes. And if we ever went into greenhouse and nicked one, he used to go absolutely ballistic. And Mum will vouch for me on that one. But yeah, we love a tomato, don't we?
Oh yeah, definitely. We've got some good ones.
That's a good red one.
Yeah.
Quite a few to be fair here, Deborah.
We've still got a few in the fridge as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
What's that one? Is that a good one? Yeah.
Quite a few on here.
Ooh.
Like I'm alright for my pack up for
Tomato sandwiches all week this week. Cheese and tomato. I do like a cheese and tomato sandwich though. How are we doing?
Flying.
Yeah, there's a few that are like rotten, but I think that's a good batch for now, Lee.
Yeah, well look, that's
Look at that.
tomatoes.
Lovely.
Good size. You can see you can even do them and we have sometimes tomatoes on toast,
Yeah.
don't we? Or you can do anything with tomato, but we like to have them with a bit of salt. Probably
Yummy.
weird, but
Nice little taste to them though,
yeah,
doesn't
what
it?
do you think to us tomatoes, guys? Get in the comment. Onto the cucumber patch again now.
We've had a few from these
yeah,
already, haven't we?
Last episode, did we pick a few cucumbers?
Yeah, I think so.
I think the words there.
Cucumber.
So we've got a few here. Two growing nicely.
There's a little one there as well.
Yeah, a couple more coming there.
Little baby one.
So I'm chuffed to bits with that because I do like them on my salad for work.
They're cute and they're really delicious as well, the
I
cucumbers.
didn't think these would come again and they have. So
yeah, that'll do it. Probably, what, a few weeks and they'll do.
yeah.
They'll be ready.
Just for this muggy heat we were having.
Oh, it's so muggy. We had thunderstorms last night, didn't we?
Yeah. So on to our courgette / I believe these are called marrows when they turn yellow. Is that right?
I have no idea.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that. We actually gave one of our courgettes to our neighbour the other day and she was going to make a soup with it. That's so cool though.
So it's like a marrow.
Marrow.
So I don't know why. I'm not like an avid gardener, like I keep saying. Why they change to a marrow, I'm not sure.
Yeah, if
Maybe
anyone
someone
knows,
in comments
let us know, yeah.
know.
I don't think we'll probably... Oh, there's one there as
Still
well,
some
isn't
growing
there?
here, one there. But these they're like cucumbers, they just keep coming.
growing, yeah.
I mean, there's only 2 plants in here and they've got 1, 2...
Oh look, there's one...
One there.
Oh yeah, is that cucumber? They look like cucumbers.
That one definitely looks like a cucumber.
Let me look. Yeah. God knows. Cucumber in a courgette patch.
Yeah, it's like crossbreeding. So we mentioned last time that we brought a banana tree back from Tenerife. Planted it, put it in a friend's greenhouse just over the way there, and it sort of kicked on, and now I've covered it with this, obviously keep it nice, and I think it's doing all right.
Yeah, it is doing well, definitely.
Look at that. Banana tree growing in England.
There we go. We've gotten some kind of growth from it, so.
Yeah, it's doing all right. Probably keep it covered up, and maybe next year it'll kick on. So
yeah.
It's growing still there, obviously a few offshoots. These were the original leaves, and these are the 2 new ones that we've developed over about a month probably.
Yeah.
I've put it since putting it in the greenhouse. But no, I'm impressed
Work
with
in
that.
progress.
Bananas next year.
Fingers crossed.
lastly, we are on our sweet corn patch.
This hasn't been great, has it, either
no,
this year?
What I have failed to do is do this where it pollinates them.
Oh, okay.
I forgot to do it.
Ah.
Someone told me to do it last year and I've not done it, so that's probably why I've
We did get a few last year though, didn't we? But we opened some up the other day and they weren't. See what that one looks like. I think when we did it last week there wasn't really that much sweet corn.
It's probably not pollinating great.
Looks so funny with the little hairs going out.
That's
It's
too
better
bad.
than what it was the other one. Yeah, it's still just a bit.
Yeah, see,
Yeah.
it's not done amazing, so it's not really, you can't really do much.
But last year we had loads, didn't we? We had them for dinner.
Yeah.
No.
Oh,
Oh well, at least we know for next year.
pollinate them next year, Lee.
Yeah, pollinate.
Bit of weeding while I'm here.
Okay guys, so that is a little allotment tour over and done with, isn't it?
Yeah,
For the
mini series finished.
little mini series. See, we've got our tomatoes ready to take home.
And look at my flamingo tree.
That is huge. I can't believe how big that has grown now.
So, the plan next year, keep saying it, I think I've said it on every one we've done, I'm going to cover this finally. And in this bit
He's too busy doing his football vlogs now, guys.
Yeah, I'm busy man. In this here is going to be like a polytunnel, which I'm going to put the tomatoes in next year, and I can seed and stuff and just get more planters and just make it complete really, because it's getting there. We've done the little walkway onto allotment, haven't we?
Yeah.
Built a little, like a fancy little flower wall type thing, so I'm going to get them planted up for next year. Got it all planned out.
Got it all planned, he knows. He's got a plan.
Guarding my tomatoes.
So we're going to walk back now, aren't we?
Yeah.
And maybe have a few tomatoes.
Yeah.
And it's just so muggy, isn't it?
Yeah.
The heat. But I was just thinking, we've not actually shown you how close we are to the allotment, so we'll show you as well when we're walking back. It's literally a stone's throw from our house, which is so good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So handy for us. So yeah, we will see you all. When will we next see everyone now?
Possibly all. I mean, we're 4 week Wednesday till
4 weeks on Wednesday till Tenerife. So yeah, maybe now I think, because we've not really got much planned, have we?
No.
Until then. So yeah, hopefully probably next one will be a travel day.
Yeah.
So yeah, we will catch you all soon.
So if you've liked us a little allotment series, smash the like button for us and drop some tips in, because we're still amateurs.
We're still amateurs.
Like, probably people watching go, what
are they doing? We're trying though. Well, I say you're trying.
You've got to be impressed with them. Look at them.
Juicy tomatoes. Alright guys, we'll catch
Thanks
you
for
soon.
watching.
Bye.
So we've just mentioned how close we are to our allotment from our house. I think there's about 25 plots on here, and over there the flamingo trees, that's our allotment plot. So nice and close, and we have a short walk to see the second white car. About there is our house, so it's a stone's throw, so nice and local for us to come and water. Right on his doorstep, so brilliant to come and pick us fruit and veg for our allotment. So yeah, hope you enjoyed guys, and we'll see you on the next one.